Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, yesterday we have learned about alphabetical order. How to write the letters, how to write the words in a alphabetical order. See, children, day before yesterday, I have explained you about a story in your English reader. What is that lesson, children? Worm looks after the lunch. What is that story? Worm looks for lunch. I hope you all have understood the story which I have explained you day before yesterday. On Friday I have explained you, maybe, children. Worm looks for a lunch. This is our lesson 1, children. Still we are in lesson 1. Soon we will complete the lesson. What we have learned, that worm comes out of his dirt in search of a new food. On his way, first whom he met, children? First worm met to the rabbit. Worm met to the rabbit and he did not like the food eaten by the rabbit. He tried the food but he did not like. Next, children, on his way he met the deer. He met the deer and he asked the deer for the food what he eats. Deer said he eats bark, but bark is very hard for the worm. Next, moving forward, after meeting the deer, he met the beetle on the leaf. Here we have stopped our story. See, children, here we have stopped our story. Beetle, hello worm. Worm, hello, who are you? Again same question to the questions which it asked the rabbit, deer. Again same questions has been asked by the worm to the beetle, who are you? Beetle explained that he is an insect. It is an insect which lives on a leaves. Where does the beetle live, children? On the leaves. And what does the beetle eat? Beetle eat leaves. ఏం తింటుందన్న beetle leaves. So worm also decided to try for the leaves, and worm tried to eat the leaves, but it was very difficult for the worm to eat the leaves. See, children, what happens next? Beetle, I like eating leaves. Worm, I think I will try a leaf. Now worm, no, I do not like this leaf. It is too dry. The leaves were too dry, so the worm was unable to eat. As worm always eat dirt and dirt was wet always, it decided to eat leaves. As leaves are dry, the worm was unable to eat the leaf. See, children, what happens next? Bird. Now there comes a bird on the tree. There comes this all the conversation was going on a tree between the beetle, between the worm. Here comes a bird on the tree. What happens? Now when the bird came, worm again asked, what do you like to eat? Now bird, without hesitating, I like eating beetles. What he likes to eat? Beetles. Who likes to eat beetles, children? Birds. But see what happens. Worm, oh no, beetle, run and hide. Now the worm is giving suggestion to the beetle to run away and to hide somewhere, so that bird may not find himself and he may escape. But bird say, no, I will not. Worm, you will not. Why not? No, నేను తినను తనని, బీటల్ని తినను ఇప్పుడు అంటాడు. Why? Worm is asking why? Bird, because there is something else I like even better than beetles. బీటల్స్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఇష్టమైంది నాకు ఒకటి ఉంది అని అంటాడు బర్డ్. ఈవెన్ ఐ లైక్ మోర్ దాన్ బీటల్. వాట్ ఈస్ దాట్? Bird likes worms more than the beetle. Worm, what is that? Now bird gave reply, I like eating worms. Worm said, oh no. And worm again fell from the tree and it enters into the dirt again. See children, this is all about a story which runs between a worm, rabbit, deer, beetles and birds. See, the storyteller explained us a very beautiful story. Now let us revise children few words related to the lesson. Then I will explain you what are the exercises given to you, what are the questions given to you. Okay, now let us revise few words related to the lesson children. First word worm, W-O-R-M, worm. Next, whom he met? Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Next, what he met? Grass. What the rabbit likes to eat? Grass. Next, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Next one, bark, B-A-R-K-S, barks. Next one children, beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. Next one, dry, D-R-Y, dry. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next one, bird, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Last one, dirt, D-I-R-T, dirt. Now what is the lunch of the worm? Dirt. One day worm decided to come out of his dirt and it wants to eat something new. On his way to find a new lunch, he met the rabbit, he met the deer, he met the beetle and he met the bird. But the food items eaten by all these animals, all these insects and animals doesn't like by the worm. And again worm entered into the dirt. Again it ate dirt only as a lunch. Now see children, what are the words given to you? Worm, W-O-R-M, worm. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. G-R-A-S-S, grass. D-E-E-R, deer. B-A-R-K-S, box. B-E-E-T-L-E, beetle. D-R-Y, dry. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. B-I-R-D-S, birds. D-I-R-T, dirt. Now let us read again once lesson. See children, storyteller means the person who is telling the story. One day worm wiggled out of the ground. Worm, dirt, dirt, dirt. I fed up with dirt for lunch. I am going to look for some new food. Storyteller, worm wiggled over the grass. See, worm wiggled over the grass means worm came out of the grass. W-I-G-G-L-E-D, wiggled. Already we have completed the line-wise explanation. Once I am reading, those who are having textbooks, children, go through your textbook. Rabbit, hello worm. Worm, hello, who are you? Rabbit, I am a rabbit. Worm, and what do you like to eat? Rabbit, I like eating grass. I like eating grass. Worm, I think I will try some grass. Storyteller, so worm tried some grass. Worm, no, I do not like grass. It is too chewy. Storyteller, worm wiggled along to a tree. Deer, hello worm. Hello, who are you? Deer, I am a deer. And what do you like to eat? Deer, I like eating bark. Worm, I think I will try some bark. Storyteller, no, worm tried some bark. Worm, no, I do not like bark. It is too hard. Storyteller, worm wiggled up the tree. Beetle, hello worm. Hello, who are you? I am a beetle. I like eating leaves. I think I will try a leaf. Now, worm said, no, I do not like this leaf. teller. Worm wiggled along a tree twig. Bird. Hello, worm. Hello, who are you? Bird. I am a bird. Worm. And what do you like to eat? Bird. Let me think. I like eating beetles. What he likes to eat? Bird. Bird like to eat beetle. But before the beetle, there is another thing which he like most. That is the worm. Worm fell down. Worm. Oh no, beetle, beetle, run and hide. Or else bird will eat you. Bird. No, I will not. Worm. You will not. Why not? Bird. Because there is something else I like even better than beetles. Worm. What is this? I like eating worms. Worm. Oh no. Storyteller. Worm fell off the tree. He landed on the ground and wiggled safely back into the dirt. Worm. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Yum, yum, yum. Now in this way we have completed the story related to the worm. Tomorrow children we will discuss about the exercises which are related to this chapter. Okay children, read the lesson once in your textbook. Have a nice day.